Welcome to Pengower tutorial. Today, we'll teach you how to manage your Pengower account. The objectives of this video are to teach you how to make changes to your account, to teach you how to add developers to your application, and lastly, how to submit issues using your account. At the upper right of the builder, you can see your account username. Clicking on it will give you a drop-down of options in modifying your account. Let us go through them. Edit company details lets you edit the basic information about your company or client. Title lets you put in your company's name. Address 1 and 2 lets you put in your company's address, and phone lets you put in your company's primary contact number. Remember to click on the Update button to save any changes you have made. Developers lets you view a list of all active developers who can make changes to your application. The Add Developer button lets you add a new developer. Clicking on it will open a new window, which lets you enter the developer's user access and some basic information. It also lets you assign admin capabilities to this user by clicking on the Admin checkbox. The Active checkbox enables the developer in the application. Lastly, Default Config lets you choose the configuration the developer can access upon logging in. Configuration lets you view all current configurations that your account has access to. A configuration can host one or more applications. Typically, a customer or a client is assigned one configuration, which consists of different applications. You can access the configuration settings by simply clicking on it. It should direct you to another window. You can add a developer to this configuration by clicking on the developer's name and the Move Right button. You can add a new configuration by clicking on the Add Configuration button. Put in a configuration name and select the developer you want to have access to the configuration. Companies list all your current companies or clients under your account. You can edit their information by simply clicking on their names. You can update the company's basic information like title, address, and phone number. You can also add different configurations to the company as well. Lastly, you can enable it as an active company by checking on the Active checkbox. Online Users shows you the users under your team that are online at the moment. You can view details like their usernames, last date and time they have logged into the builder. Edit My Details lets you edit your own account's details like username, password, email address, first name and surname. Again, make sure you save your changes by clicking on the Update button. Lastly, Send a Message lets you submit reports regarding application bugs and other account-related issues. Send a message by filling out the fields below. Put in the summary of your message in the subject field and use the content field to write in the content of your message. Lastly, you have the option to upload a screenshot to help us understand and identify the issue that is reported. Clicking on the Update button sends the form to the support team. At the very bottom, you should see the Logout button as well if you ever want to log out of your application. Congratulations! You now have learned how to manage your Pengower account. You now have learned how to make changes to your account, add developers to your application, and how to submit issues using your account. Thank you for listening.